Hi everybody, so tonight I'm just doing a little video on dermarollering or microneedling at home. So a lot of the clients have been asking us how they can be doing their skincare routine that they get done in the salon at home. So this is a little kit which you can buy and I will post out directly to your door. It is on offer just now as well, so you are getting an amazing deal. You're getting your roller plus your free hydration mask and serum that you use throughout the treatment. That's all included for the price of what your roller would be, so £30. So if anyone didn't know what microneedling is, it is also known as dermarollering. So that's two different types of methods. We have the derma roller, which we're going to be using in this video and what you should be using at home on your skin, or we have the pen device, and that's what we use in the salon. The reason we use this is because we can change the depth on the pen. So people have different skin conditions, different skin types, we can actually target areas with a different depth. Okay, so let's get into it. So first you need to make sure your skin's clean, so we will go in double cleansing. If you have not seen my skin cleansing video, then please watch it. Just go back and find it, and I'll go over everything how to cleanse your face. So that's my face all clean now. So what you get in your kit is you get your little roller. So you always start off on a 0.3mm, that's the length of the actual needles. We always get our clients to start on this is because you need to start at a low level and work your way up. So once you've been using this roller for a while, so we say these last roughly 6 months until you need to replace them, so they're definitely worth it. Then when you purchase your neck roller, you can jump up to stronger, deeper needle. So these are made out of titanium, so they're actually not going to rust, they're not going to break or anything like that. They're not going to bend on your skin, they're just going to punch through the skin the exact direction. A lot of these cheap rollers you can get online, they're really bad for your skin. When they're going in, they're ripping your skin, and that's when it's actually going to cause more damage. So yeah, make sure you're buying a good roller if you are buying elsewhere, but these are the best quality and they last so long. I've had mine for ages. So just now we are giving away the free masks and serum, so these are your hydrating gel masks, and these are usually £7, so you're actually getting that for free just now. You can use the serum throughout the treatment and then you've got your mask for on afterwards as well. So all you need to do is open up your mask, just a little bit, you don't need to open it all the way just now, and then pop that to the side. Then open your roller. Inside the roller it's all wrapped, all sealed. It comes in your wee box as well, which you can keep. So you can see the little needles. So what we want to do, we want to be causing creating a slip on the skin. So we don't want to go in and just dry because it will be a bit nippy. You don't need numb for this at all, especially when you do a 0.3. Some areas like your forehead and nose you can feel a little bit, but you don't need numbed. I'm going to be using 0.5 on my skin just now, and I don't numb my skin. Some bits can be a bit eye-watering, but it's absolutely fine. When you come into the salon, we do numb you up. As I say, we do go a lot deeper, especially in some areas, especially in some skin conditions, but you don't actually feel it either getting numbed up. It's absolutely fine. So we're going to be using hyaluronic acid. That's what's going to be creating that slip for the roller, but we're also going to be rollering that into the skin. So hyaluronic acid, our bodies produce it. What it is they're little water molecules in our body that actually hold 1,000 times its weight in water. So they're amazing for our skin. I always say to my client, you need to be hydrating your skin with hyaluronic acid instead of just moisturising all the time. So the masks that you get are hyaluronic acid masks. If you don't have any of these masks, you can also buy hyaluronic acid. So I say to my clients to use the Ordinary. So they sell different types of hyaluronic acid and it's really cheap as well, so you can use that. But as I'm saying just now, you're getting your hyaluronic acid mask free with your roller. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll take our mask, literally pour out a tiny little bit of the serum. And it's up to you where you start on the skin. There's also instructions on the box of the roller how to roller. what direction. Okay, so take your roller. So what you want to be doing with your roller is you want to be going up and down and across, diagonally that way, okay? You're not pushing into your skin really firmly. It's quite gentle, and the needles, you do not need to push. There are certain depths to go over gently on your skin. So where your 0.3, 0.5, they're the perfect depth for your post-inflammatory pigmentation. So that is people that've got acne scarring, that's the red kind of marking, perfect for that. Your anti-aging, it's been proven, clinically proven, so there's studies on it that 0.3, 0.5 is actually the maximum depth you need to go to produce more collagen and elastin. That's perfect for your anti-aging. So you can see my skin starting to go red. So with these depths, you're not going to really be causing any bleeding, you're just going to be causing the red area. So if you need more serum, just take some more. Pop some on the area that you've just done as well. You will start to feel it getting a little bit warm. That's absolutely normal as well. When the skin's open like this, it's going to be absorbing everything into the skin, so you want to be popping more hyaluronic acid on top as well. So that's as much as the redness needs to be. So as you can see, I've literally have no bleeding bits at all. So you can see I've got a little bit of breakouts here. That is probably from using the micellar water the other night. My skin texture is feeling horrible after doing all that. So with the redness as well, by tomorrow morning my face will not be red. You're not going deep enough to cause the redness to stay. When you come into the salon, especially for your first treatment, you will be red for a few days. The first day, the day of the treatment and the first day after the treatment, you cannot wear any makeup or anything like that. So we do advise you to have no plans for getting the treatment done. On the third day, we do give you a way of tinted moisturiser as well to put on. This will protect your skin as well. It's got an SPF in it. So the forehead's the one bit that I find quite nippy. It's not too bad, it's just the skin's a lot thinner there, and obviously you're kind of going more into the bone. Sometimes you don't feel it, sometimes I'm like, ooh, but it's fine. So there we go, it doesn't take long to do at all. You can do this roller roughly 3 to 4 times a week if you really wanted to. So if you really wanted to boost your skin, you can, it's absolutely fine. I'd say your skin is perfect the next day. But you don't need to, you can just do it once a month, you can do it every 2 weeks, you can do it once a week. It's up to you when you feel like you need it. It's a great way to do at home to boost your treatments out with the salon as well. After you have rollered, what we're going to do is now put on the mask. It does feel quite tight and quite hot, a bit nippy. That's absolutely normal as well. So what this mask will do will cool it down, and because our skin is open, it's going to absorb everything. So you do just need to pull out the holes for the eyes, okay? You can lie back with the eyes open, with the eyes closed, sorry, if you want just to chill, then it will moisturise your eyes as well. But if you want to walk about, then just rip them open a little bit. So what you would do is leave it on for 15 minutes. After 50 minutes, just take it off. Pop the mask back into the bag, okay? Always make sure your hands are clean before doing that. Your skin is still open, so you don't want to be going touching anything, getting dirt, bacteria on your hands and then touching your face. Then just rub in the excess There we go. So if you still feel like your skin is quite hot even in like half an hour's time, you can pop the mask back on again. That's not a problem. There's so much serum left in the back. Keep your mask as well. Keep using the mask, and if you don't want to use the mask, use the rest of the serum as well. You can use it for the next time that you do your microneedling, as long as it's not been left for too long. So if you're going to do it in a few days time again, then just do it, use it again. You can also use a serum, so you can use your serum underneath your makeup and your moisturisers, or you can do it as a wee mask just until it finishes as well. So what you need to not do is to try not touch your skin after this treatment. Just leave it, go to bed, don't put anything else on top of your skin. If you've done it quite early on and you feel like if the serum's all dried in, you can pop a little bit more serum on just before you go to your bed. When you wake up tomorrow, your skin shouldn't be red. You'll notice a massive difference in your skin even tomorrow morning. I tend to notice all the little red marks or any breakouts that I've got go straight away, or if they've not went straight away, they're already starting to disappear. You also need to make sure you're keeping your roller clean and sterilised, so you need to be giving it a good rinse through with warm soapy water first. This will clean up anything, any serum, any blood or anything like that on it as well off it, but you also need to be sterilising it. So you can buy steriliser sprays. The one I use is the Mundo steriliser disinfectant spray. All I would do is after I clean this, spray it on and then let it air dry before I pop it back in my box. You can use alcohol sprays, you can use disinfectant sprays, just as long as it's not going to affect the roller. Just double check what you're using first. But this is really important, you need to be doing this. If you're not doing it, your roller's just going to get full of bacteria, and you can't use it if it's like that. So please, please, please make sure you're cleaning and sanitizing your roller. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If there's any questions about anything, or if you would like to order a roller and with the free mask as well that's on offer just now, then please message me and I will get them posted out to you as soon as possible. If you live close, I will actually drop off at your door as well. If you have any questions, please just message me, and thanks for watching.